Hello friends! Welcome to WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. I am Adina and I will be your Kyrgyz language tutor. Today's topic will be dedicated to family members and we will learn how to refer to our relatives and family. When we go over the vocabulary, you will notice that Kyrgyz has more kinship terms than English. What word you use to describe your relatives sometimes depends on whether you are older or younger than the person. Additionally, your gender is sometimes a factor as well as their gender. These are considerations that English generally does not take, so we must pay close attention. Let's get started. Uy bleu. Uy bleu. Family. Биздин үй бүлө 8 адамдан турат. Our family consists of 8 people. Apa, mother. Ata, father. Менин атам менен апам Нарындан. My mother and father are from Nарын. Chong apa, grandmother. Chong ata, grandfather. Ар жайда биздин үй бүлө айылга чоң атам менен чоң апама барышат. Every summer, our family visits my grandfather and grandmother in the village. Tayanem, maternal grandmother. Tayatam, maternal grandfather. Bir tuğan, sibling. Менин эки бир тууганым бар. Улуу эжем жана улуу байкем. I have 2 siblings, an older sister and an older brother. Байкем, elder brother or paternal uncle. Эже, elder sister or paternal aunt. Бөбөктөр байкеси менен эжесин жакшы көрүшөт. The children love their uncle and aunt. These last 2 terms are also used as a polite way to refer to older people, even when they are not related to us. Ini, younger brother. Singdi, younger sister, if the speaker is female. Карындаш, younger sister, if the speaker is male. Oğul, son. Kız, daughter. Биздин кошунанын уулу менен кызы университетте окушат. Our neighbor's son and daughter are studying at the university. Jezde, older sister's husband. Менин жездем эмгекчил. My older sister's husband is a hard worker. Jenge, older brother's wife. Жеңем менен абдан жакынбыз. We are very close with my older brother's wife. Kүйөө бала, son-in-law or groom. Келин, daughter-in-law or bride. Келин менен күйөө бала салт боюнча конокторго салам айтышат. The bride and groom traditionally greet the guests. Кайнага. Кайнага. Elder brother-in-law. Кайниже. Кайниже. Elder sister-in-law. Кайни. Кайни. Younger brother-in-law. Кайын сиңди. Кайын сиңди. Husband's younger sister. Кайниси менен кайын сиңдиси кечинде уй сааганы жөнөшөт. The husband's younger brother and sister go to milk the cows in the evening. Балдыз. Балдыз. Wife's younger sister. Жездеси балдызына жаңы унаа сатып берди. The older sister's husband bought a new car for the wife's younger sister. Абысын. Абысын. Husband's brother's wife. Келин менен абысындын ортосунда ар дайым жылуу мамиле бар. There is always a warm relationship between a bride and her brother-in-law's wife. Бажа. Бажа. Wife's sister's husband. Bölö. Bölö. Cousin, child of maternal aunt. Менин бөлөм менен бажам чогуу иштешет. My cousin works together with my wife's sister's husband. Jane. Jane. Nephew. Niece. By sister. Sister's child. Чоң ата жээндерин паркка алып барды. Grandfather took his nephews and nieces to the park. Тай жезде. Тай жезде. Maternal aunt's husband. Тай жеңе. Тай жеңе. Aunt. Тай жездем менен тай жеңем экөө тең таласта турулгон. My maternal aunt's husband and uncle's wife were both born in Talas. That was a lot of vocabulary. Let's practice with this listening comprehension exercise related to the picture. Үй бүлөдө канча бала бар? How many children are in the family? Үй бүлөдө 8 бала бар. 4 кыз жана 4 бала. There are 8 children in the family. 4 daughters and 4 sons. Сүрөттө чоң апа барбы? Is there a grandmother in the picture? Ооба, бар. Ал 2 кызынын ортосунда жана балдарынын жанында турат. Yes, there is. She stands in between her 2 daughters and next to their children. Сүрөттө 2 байке кайсыл жерде турат? Where do the 2 uncles stand in the picture? Алар жеңелердин жанында турат. They stand near their wives. Today, we learned words related to family members, and I want to encourage you to practice more by yourself. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you think this lesson was useful, you may like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned, we want you to learn. Görüşkünce.